Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. There is a very interesting website on which you can create different kind of content. For example, if you are a YouTuber, you can write your tags, titles, descriptions. For example, here these are the two tools available for YouTube idea generator, title, thumbnail, YouTube creator, description tags, time temps, shorts, reels, and everything by using artificial intelligence. How you can do this? First of all, there is a website, Gravity Right. Search in Google Gravity Right. Gravity Right. This is the first website. Click on it. When this opens up, you can log in it by putting your detail, and you can also start for free. I will suggest you to log in and use its features, very interesting features. When you click on login, and I have already created account, so it does not ask me to put your email, your password, everything, because I am logged in already. When you open this up and you can write here, you can see that very interesting tools, advertising tools here. If you are a blogger, you can write your blogs, career development, career copywriting tools. When you click on this drop down, many things, many tools appear. Email tools. I'm interested in YouTube tools, so click on YouTube tools and write. These are the different tools that you can use for your YouTube videos. I want to discuss this description and tags. So click on it. For example, I have a YouTube video. This is my video. I copy its title and put it here. Enter your video title and the points you want to cover. So put your title and the important points that you want to discuss, that you have already discussed in the video, put it here and click on create content. It will create its title, tags, description, hashtags, everything for you. Here you can see that it has completed it. It has suggested me a title which is based on artificial intelligence, understanding PLC structure, inputs, outputs, memories, and its description. Everything is here. Hashtags, tags, SEO, YouTube SEO tags. So I will copy all this text and put it in the notepad. Open notepad in your PC, paste it here, and now you can copy it and place it in your video. Here is my video. I want to edit this video, so I will change its title and its description, its tags, everything. Here are its different things. I am changing its title. My video is in Urdu, so I will write Urdu / Hindi. Second thing is description. You can see that here is a very interesting description that it has generated for me. So I will copy it from my notepad and paste it in my video description. You can also place the hashtags. These are the hashtags that artificial intelligence based this website has generated for me. I will put it in the description. It has just placed it here. Second thing that I need to put it there is its tags. So I will copy its tags from, these are the tags, SEO based tags. I will copy all these tags and you can just paste it here. You can see that all the tags are now adjusted with the proper placement. Now you can save changes and you will see that it's in less than 5 minutes you can write title, tags, description and everything in your video, which will improve your SEO tactics. So use this website, create an account, and it will enhance your YouTube videos SEO. Thank you so much for watching this video.